Welcome back. Today we begin something truly special. Before us stands a piece of history, a 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300Sl Gullwing, once a symbol of speed, elegance, and innovation. But now it rests in silence, forgotten, rusted, covered in decades of dust. Look closer, the body scarred by time. The chrome, dull and lifeless. But beneath all that decay, there's still beauty, still a heart waiting to beat again. We start by clearing the space, every tool in its place, every light adjusted. The air feels thick with anticipation. The seats cracked, faded, torn by the years. This is where transformation begins. Carefully, the old paint begins to peel away, layer after layer, revealing the story underneath. You can hear the sound of time being undone. The surface slowly returns to bare metal, cold, smooth, and pure. Now, we clean. Every inch, every curve of the Gullwing's body, dust turns to shine. The scent of polish fills the air. The old becomes new again, one gentle touch at a time. Listen to the rhythm, the quiet spray, the slow, soothing wipe. This is what patience sounds like. The iconic Gullwing doors, the soul of this machine, are next. Their hinges stiff, their edges rusty. We loosen them gently, every movement precise. These doors once lifted like wings, and soon they will again. There it is, that sound. The whisper of revival, a door opening after decades of silence. Now we sand the imperfections, tiny motions, small circles. The surface grows smoother with every pass. Underneath the rust, the metal still shines. The Gullwing's shape returns, graceful, aerodynamic, timeless. Next, primer, a thin layer, even smooth. The sound of the spray is like soft rain. We move slowly, carefully, covering every curve. Then the color, that famous Mercedes silver, a mirror finish, deep and shimmering. We wait, the paint settles, dries, breathes. In this stillness, you can almost hear it, the car remembering what it once was. Inside, the restoration continues. The leather seats are restitched by hand, every thread pulled tight, every seam aligned with care. The smell of new leather fills the air, rich, smooth, comforting. The dashboard is polished, the dials restored to a brilliant shine. The steering wheel, sanded, varnished, reborn. Every small detail, every curve, crafted back to perfection. The engine comes next, the heart of the Gullwing. We disassemble it carefully, piston by piston, gear by gear. Old oil drained, new life poured in. Each component cleaned, rebuilt, renewed. When we reassemble it, the sound is like music, soft clicks and turns, like a mechanical heartbeat returning to rhythm. The fuel lines replaced, the spark plugs new. The wiring, fresh, neat, and perfect. Decades of stillness, erased in an instant of rebirth. And then, it's time. The battery connected, the key turns. Listen, there it is, the sound of history alive again. Smooth, confident, the low growl of a masterpiece reborn. The Gullwing moves for the first time in years. The body gleams, silver like liquid metal. Every reflection dances across the paint. Every line of the car tells a story, from forgotten to flawless. Headlights glowing softly in the dim workshop light. We take a moment to step back, to breathe it in. The scent of polish, oil, and leather. The quiet hum of perfection. This is more than a restoration. It's a resurrection. The Gullwing stands proud once again, doors lifting gracefully, like wings taking flight. The engine hums with purpose. The lights flicker like eyes opening after a long dream. Every detail whispers the same story. Beauty can sleep, but it never truly dies. This car, this legend, was once abandoned, forgotten, broken. Tires rolling gently on the floor, but through time, care, and patience, it's found new life. The silver paint glows like moonlight. The leather feels warm beneath your fingertips. The sound of the engine fills your chest, soft, steady, alive. And as the doors close with that perfect, gentle click, we remember why we do this, why we restore, why we listen so closely to every sound, every breath of the machine. Because in every piece of metal, there's a story waiting to be heard, a rhythm, a heartbeat, a whisper of the past. Today, we've brought that whisper back to life. The 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300Sl Gullwing, reborn. From rust to radiance, from silence to song, from forgotten to forever. Thank you for listening. Until next time, sleep well and dream of engines.